So tonight we're doing more Cleveland work on the IDL. I'm not putting seats in this thing. So I'm drilling out all the guides for a 1/2-inch cast iron replacement guide. I prefer to do it on the IDL simply because it locates and drills off of the existing seat. So when I go to do the valve job, I'm not cutting way down and there's no problems. So you can see here's a good example of a canted valve. I've got my spacer in. The high side's got the spacer. I'm doing the intakes, so I've got my intake spacer for my Cleveland modified. I've got my little jack under one side to support the head. So the tooling drill sleeve or drill bushing, if you want to call it, sits on the seat adapter, and it's actually locked to the column, completely locked down. And the driver of the machine is simply, it doesn't influence it at all. So it slips right on, and there's some slop in it. So this is where the accuracy is the tooling. So I've got it core drilled already. I like to use dedicated core drill and then a reamer, 2 steps. I've tried the dreamers, they call them. It's a core drill reamer in one shot. In my opinion, it's a lot of load on the machine. It generates a lot of heat. I don't like it. The only thing I like is it's cheaper than buying 2 tools. It's a little cheaper, but I don't like them. I tried it once. And so let's finish this. I got my jack under there. We're good. We're ready to go. I'm only reaming about, I think 20, maybe 10 or 15 thousandths. That last little bit. I think the core drill puts it to 475, and this goes to 500 exactly. And my cast iron guide is 502, giving me a 2 thou press fit, and we're happy.